Hey guys, Saafiyah here. I'm finally back on the grid and I figured I would give you guys a look-see at my final Airbnb while I'm here in San Jose on this trip. I am in a city called La Sabana, which is a little bit north of downtown San Jose, but it is still walkable to different shops, cafes, coffee shops. We are very close to the soccer stadium where they play the World Cup games. Um, it is very centrally located. There is a huge, like, central park here, and I like the area. It's quiet and it is quaint. It is walkable though, a lot more walkable than that first Airbnb that I was at in Escazú. It is also very close to the airport. I'm happy to be back on the grid from the Caribbean side. It was beautiful there, but I am happy to have central air, central AC, Wi-Fi, a very good Wi-Fi, and Netflix. I have not watched TV in 7 days, which isn't a bad thing. So I can't really complain. So yeah, this Airbnb was $45.60. That's US dollars for the night. Okay, so I am going to give you guys a little look see, and so you guys can see if this is something that you can do for $45.60. To me, it is pretty nice. It's the most expensive place that I've stayed in as far as my trip to as far as my trip to Costa Rica. But it's well worth it because it has everything I need, including AC and the Wi-Fi. All right, so I will give you guys a quick look. Okay, so this is my Airbnb. This is basically what $45.60 per night will get you in San Jose. All right, I like the shower, basic sink. Okay, bed area. Let me back up so you can see it a little better. I think this is a king size bed. As you can see, woohoo! I have central air. Okay, nicely decorated. Okay, it has a safe, an iron, extra blanket, iron, nice closet, wall clock. I don't know what's in here. I haven't looked yet. Oh, it's locked. Okay, this is the little area, the little desk area where I can get some work done. High speed internet. Netflix. I missed Netflix. This is the sitting area. I think it's adorable. And then the kitchen. It's tiny. It's comfortable for one or two people, but it's just me here, so I don't need anything more. Um, I don't know if that couch pulls out, but yeah, it's got everything here that I need. Coffee maker, that's important. So that's the kitchen, and then it's got a nice balcony. See if I can get it open. Got a nice balcony. Whoops. I'm on the 18th floor. Okay, this condominium condominium complex also has a pool and a gym, and it has those beautiful mountainous views. All right, that is how you get up to the waterfalls and the volcanoes in those clouds up that mountain. All right, so that's it. This is pretty much what $45 per night, $45.60 per night can get you in La Sabana, which is just a touch north of the city. You're like 4 minutes Uber ride to the city center. So I like this location. Um, I am going to go out and explore. The only thing I do not like about this particular Airbnb is you have to be a registered guest to visit. Or to like you can't have visitors come. If you stay for less than 6 days in this Airbnb, you're not allowed to have a visitor, which is okay with me because I don't have visitors. But for those who have friends in the area, if you stay here for less than 6 days, you're not allowed to have anyone in your room. If you're here for more than 6 days, they allow you to have visitors, but they have to leave their passport at the front desk. It's the condominium's rule. And because of I guess they have the theme, it's like an Alice in Wonderland theme. It's trademarked. They don't want you to take pictures for like social media and stuff like that in the common areas, like the lobby, the gym, the swimming pool, stuff like that, places like that, but you can take pictures in your room. So I thought that was weird, and they make you sign like a waiver or affidavit attesting that you will abide by the rules. So that's the only thing I wasn't feeling, which I wasn't going to go down and take a bunch of pictures. Anyway, the lobby is decorated cute though. The whole theme is very cute. It's very Instagrammable, but it's crazy because they don't want you to take pictures. So I don't get it. Anyway, with that being said, that is the pretty much completion of my tour. What do y'all think? Would you be able to stay here under those terms and conditions for $45.60 per night? Again, please keep in mind that all of the prices that I quote for these Airbnbs, they can go up, they can go down, they do fluctuate based on high season and low season. So, if you go back when I post the links on YouTube, if you go back to look for these particular Airbnbs and you see a different price, just know that, these things are not written in stone. This is the price that I paid today. All right, so hit me up in the comments. What do you think? Would you be able to stay here? Would you want to stay here? All right, is this something that y'all could do? All right, talk to you later.